KOVAI CLASSIC Industries, a distributor of MTD products. Product wheeled string trimmer specifications are: engine type Kohler, air-cooled, 4-stroke gasoline, power is 173 cc, starter recoil, gear 1 forward, deck rust-resistant steel, weight 30 kg, adjustable 3-position loop. KOVAI CLASSIC Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, and NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, log on to www.kovaiclassicindustries.net. www.kovaiclassicindustries.com